Now, secret number 6 is watch your analytics. Analytics is monitor what type of readers or what type of people are visiting your website. You shouldn't just post your content and walk away. In fact, decoding the sixth secret lies in the fact that regularly monitor your content using Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a tool which helps us identify what type of users are visiting our website. So I'll just give you a gist of Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a tool which helps us identify what type of people are visiting our website, what type of what type of it is more of to identify the number of audience, and even if the audience who are visiting our website, what page are they accessing in our website. Because definitely our one website will have multiple pages. For example, even Google has pages like Gmail, then Google Images, videos, then Google News. So yeah, so there is a lot of information which is available in Google Analytics. This is how it looks like. This is the home page of Google Analytics. Now this will have information like users, session, bounce rate, and session duration. So first thing is user. So user is normally in the last 7 days, because this is the date that I've selected of last 7 days. You can always change that. So as per the date that I've selected, how many users accessed my website, and number of users who accessed my website, how many sessions were accessed. Now there's a difference between user and session. Now in case if one user visits the website multiple times, definitely it will be counted as one user only. Probably the because the user visited the website 10 times, it will be counted as 10 sessions. And bounce rate is how much is the bounce rate. So in case if you think, if you identify your bounce rate is more than 50%, that means it is time to change something. Now session duration is average, how much time do people spend on your website, and this is active users right now. So currently people who are on the website right now, how many users are on the website right now. So in case if you think that there are a lot of people who are currently on the website right now, in case if you have to run a promotion on the website, or if you have to share some content, then in case if there are a lot of people who are online right now that is a good time to share it. There are other things as well, that people who are accessing from the website, how do they access it. In case if people are accessing website by typing keywords on social on search engines, what keywords do they use. So it'll also give you that those keywords as well. Now how much of the users are returning users. So there is an option like user retention. How many of these users are returning users, and users who are accessing your website, usually what time of the day do most of the user visit the website. So this will give you in forms of color coding. So different type, for example, in case if Saturday, this is Saturday 10 p.m. Highest amount of users access the website, then this will be dark blue in color. If there are few people who are visiting the website, this will be a little lighter. Then people who are visiting your website, what country are they from, what devices do they use, do they use computers, do they use cell phones. So there are separate courses as well which are available just for Google Analytics, which some they charge something around 5 to 10,000 rupees. But in the actual content writing course of Henry Harvin, Google Analytics is also included as a part of the course. So in case if you join for the content writing course with Henry Harvin, so definitely you'll be learning a lot of SEO as well. Plus, you'll be learning details about Google Analytics as well, how to use Google Analytics, how to identify and how to register on Google Analytics, how to link your website on Google Analytics. So you'll be learning all these things as well, which is a part of the course. So this will also be beneficial for you guys. Now, once we identify what is Google Analytics, how to use Google Analytics, then it is always good to keep on using that. because in case if we think that the bounce rate is high, so then there is probably time to change few things. Now, in case if you think even in Google Analytics as well, as it also shows us what devices do people use to access website. Uh, it will show devices like phone, tablet, and computers. So in case if you think that majority of the users are cell phone users, then it is also good time to check if my website is compatible with cell phone users or not. Because if it is not compatible, but most of my users are cell phone users, definitely then the bounce rate will increase because the content will not appear properly to them. They'll not be able to view the content properly. Okay, and this is not the only information. You also get in-depth information as well. So there are other options as well in Google Analytics. So you will also get the extent of. So right now in the homepage, it is only showing what country do they access the information from. So it is not only the country; they'll also show you the city as well, which most of the people are using it from. Because let's say in case if your content or probably your what you write is about something specific, then you can target more specific users. So it can be probably users from big cities, or probably users from more of countryside or village side users. So there are different types of users, or probably from more of North India or South India or West India or East India that you're targeting. You can target different types of users as per your website or as per your content. So this will help you a lot as well. So it is always good to keep a look on that.